Hello everyone. So in this video I am going to discuss about the CNOT attack. And CNOT attack is the most fundamental attack which can affect quantum circuit. So in our work, what we did the quantum blockchain using Theta protocol. So CNOT attack, we all described how CNOT attack can affect our quantum blockchain. So let's see and how to detect this CNOT attack. Let's first we consider the ZZ state is being shared with A, B and C. A, B and C. So and let this is where a CNOT attack is can be performed by the attacker. We consider two extra qubits or two ancilla qubits. These are the two extra qubits which is used for the detection circuit. So and this is the fifth qubit which is with attacker. Obviously the CNOT this is sixth qubit, sorry. This is the sixth qubit which is with attacker. So obviously for a CNOT attack, a controlled NOT operation will be performed by the attacker by keeping the control with himself or herself and the target with any of these qubits. Let's suppose it is attack the C's qubit. So this is how a CNOT attack. Up to this we saw that this is how a attacker can perform the CNOT attack to tamper the or to steal the information what we shared by ABC, what ABC is shared has shared. Now by using these two extra qubits we design the detection circuit whether the CNOT attack is performed or not, whether our system is secured or not. So by using these two extra qubits we design a detection circuit which consists of 4 CNOT gates. The first CNOT gate is formed having control at the first qubit and the target at the first extra qubit, that is the first ancilla qubit. Again the second CNOT gate having control here and the target same extra qubit or the ancilla qubit. Again from this with control to the target and control and target. These are the 4 CNOT gates which is used for the detection of CNOT attack. And by measuring these two extra qubits or these two ancilla qubits in Z basis, by measuring these two ancilla qubits, we got to know whether our system is secured or not, or it is being attacked with CNOT or not. So the result for this explanation will be continued in next lecture, which includes the circuit realization of the CNOT attack. So up to this we saw that a ZZ state is being shared by A, B and C, and just next to it attacker performed a CNOT attack to steal the information And again we saw that how we detect this attack by using two ancilla qubits and measuring those ancilla qubits inside the chip. This is all we have done. Thank you.